Project video.
I'd be down for that.
It's similar on how to do it on Subarus anyways. On the fronts, they're direct bolt-ons on Subarus also.
Alright, what's up everyone? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Happy Friday. Today is June 22nd, 2016. It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And today we are going to be heading down to the beach. Possibly get some good footage, hopefully some good pictures, especially when the sun sets. So not only are we going to go down to the beach to do beach things, Subaru is actually trying to scope out a place down by the beach to hold a future event. So I just figured it'd be a lot easier just to meet up beforehand, before we go to the beach, just so that we can all cruise down together. So essentially the plan is we are actually going to meet up with John at a rest stop on the parkway that's on the way to the beach. And because John knows the exact location of the spot that we're trying to scope out for the event, John can kind of like lead the way as to where we should go. So right now we're gonna head out. Hopefully we can beat like some of the commuter traffic heading home. Our set time to meet at the rest stop is 7, so it gives us plenty of time, even though there is a crazy amount of traffic on a Friday. You know, everyone's trying to get home, but hopefully 2 hours is good enough. I can run around really quick, do what I need to do, and meet up with John on time. All right, so let's get to it. Alright guys, we got to the rest stop. We were waiting for John. John's a little late because he had to wait on Mary. I think she got stuck in traffic, so they just got here, so we're about to head out soon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so change of plans. Everyone ditched us, so instead of going to the beach, we're actually at the track. Say hi guys. What?
First time here?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
You've never been to this now?
No, I've never. I always wanted to go, but it's just like.
You've never been here?
I've been so busy. I always miss it.
And Mary's been here longer than you?
Yeah, I know, it sucks. I mean, I came here for like my motorcycle test. That counts, right? Kind of.
I guess. Francis hasn't been here either.
Really?
And he thinks like Ratchet Friday means like it's a bunch of beat up.
No, I never thought that, but it's just like I heard like the lines were like crazy, but this one wasn't too bad.
No, but that's what everyone else thought, like Tim and them.
Right.
Like they're so quick. It's like no, it's legit cars.
Right. Alright guys, just got home. I don't want to record this in the house. I think everyone's sleeping, so I don't want to disturb anyone, but I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. The beach was kind of a bust. I wish I could have gotten some good footage and some good pictures of the sunset and like the beach and whatnot, but you know, crap happens. But you know, we were able to go hang out at the track for Ratchet Friday, and it was pretty awesome, not gonna lie. You know, a lot of sorry, there's a fly here. A lot of good cars, you know, really cool cars. A lot of races, you know, cool bikes and whatnot. It's definitely something I'm gonna come back to if they have it again. You know, definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of the event if you guys are interested in going out and checking it out. It's in Englishtown, New Jersey, so kind of local to me. It's about like a 20-25 minute drive without traffic, around 30-40 minutes with traffic. But other than that, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.